Hi guys, Tanya here. Thinning hair, is that you? Can I help you? Sure, would love to try if I can. I mean, if we could make your hair stronger, thicker, fuller looking, and maybe even add some growth, natural growth. Monat, ever heard of them? I hadn't. But they're the #1 global leader in hair care. You can't find it in stores. Maybe why would you can't see it if you haven't heard about it, but I'm here to share. If I can offer you results, if I could get you growth back, natural growth, wouldn't that be amazing? And that would be a win for me. I wanted to show you, it's having a flash sale this weekend and the savings are over 60%. But I wanted to show you some before and afters in my own personal story. Here is some before and afters. Thinning hair, you can relate. Wouldn't you love to see natural growth and fullness again? Men, not excluded. Everybody's got receding hairlines at some point. Age does havoc on our hair, that's for sure. Everything's good on color treated hair, chemically treated hair, safe products. They're all naturally based, which is what I love. Now, I hadn't heard of Monat. I didn't have thinning hair issues when I started using the products, but they have a junior line. So my story goes with my daughter. My daughter had, oh my goodness, the short, fine hair, baby hair. She was a toddler, okay? And it just wouldn't grow. Year in and year out, it was the same length and it was unmanageable. Here's her in December of 2019 before we started using the Monat products. Okay, it was just unmanageable. And I swear she would just be in her bed going like this all night long because it stuck inches out from her head. Now this might not be you, but my point is these products help natural growth. Her hair is now thick and full. It grew more. Here's February of 2020 when we started to use the products. This is how much it grew in 1 year. From year in and year out, not growing at all. And now she can wear it in a ponytail. We're obsessed. These products are amazing. They're naturally based. There's a whole lot of science behind them that I don't understand. I'm not going to bore you with because the reality is I just know that they work. And when I can offer, this could affect you and change your life, 30-day money-back guarantee at a 60% off cost. I would love to be able to inspire you this weekend and you be a success story, much like the ones that I've shared. So the flash sale this weekend is 4 products for $70 when you become a VIP. 4 products, over 60% off. You get the shampoo, the Intense Repair Shampoo to promote the stronger, thicker, fuller looking hair, as well as the Intense Repair Conditioner, and the IRT Spray. If you have thinning hair, whether it's in your hairline, I've got so much growth coming back, I didn't realize there was going to be a flash sale, so it's a hat day, but I still wanted to come to you. But if you have, or the thinning up here, my cousin is just thinning up in her area and just always has, so it could be very stress related as well. It's the Intense Repair Spray. You can use it twice a day to promote growth, natural regeneration of the hair follicles, okay? If you could promote that growth naturally, this is gonna make it look fuller, and of course there are caffeine in here that's going to make it grow, but if you could promote it even more, why not? And I personally use this Reshape Root Lifter so that it gives me a little bit of volume right here in my crown. The Reshape Root Lifter is the option that you have to choose from your 4th product, or you can use the Thickening Spray, which a lot of my clients like. They are discontinuing this Thickening Spray, so it's the last chance to get this. And it's gonna add volume as well. On top of that value of $70 for 4 products, you also can then add a travel kit for $15, which is going to include a travel size shampoo, conditioner, a mask, and the blowout cream, which is amazing. There isn't a better blowout cream. I call myself a product junkie. I've never, use it once and you'll go, wow, it makes my hair dry faster, it's smoother. I don't use a flat iron anymore. It's just amazing. It changed, these products have changed the texture of my and my daughter's hair, and I want to share anything that I can to help you. Follow me if you're not ready to purchase. I'll put the link below. The website link obviously is on the screen, and then of course I'll put the link below. Reach out to me. I have a Facebook group, Change My Skin and Hair Today. I'd love to chat, love to figure out what products are going to work best for you, but the sale is amazing, and I had to come to you to share the savings. I'm all about giving the savings. I love the products. But if I can get you savings on top of the benefits of what these products do for you, I'm here for you. So follow me, get to know me. Love to chat, and let's get you some hair growth. Bye, guys.